Welcome to today's Mobility Everyday video, and this time we're going to do a series of movement on leg work, but it's not just leg work, it's leg work equals core strength. The thing is, we can definitely strengthen and challenge the core with coordinated leg work, something which is not often done, but I do it a lot myself and I find it very, very effective. It is too underrated, so I'm going to share it with you today. So come to sitting first. Let's lengthen out the lower back. You're going to just find your sit bones, stack your spine on top of your sit bones, and slowly curl your spine. You can look in between your knees. Make sure you draw your belly button in and up. So here you're going to transition between curling and slowly bringing your spine upright to a slightly arched position and back to curling again. Keep the spine supple, soft and agile first by doing a slow release. And from this slow release here, we're going to start to engage the core a little bit more. Curl your spine and roll back a little bit. Come back up and arch your spine, looking diagonally up. Curl back, scoop your belly in. And slowly bring your spine forward, arching up and looking diagonally up here. Do it a few times here, alternating between curling and slowly arching. And slowly you're going to come down to lying down. Make sure you find yourself in a neutral spine position. Have your leg up, starting the right leg here, and gently pulse it towards you. You can put your hands behind your knee or your thigh and just pull it closer to you, lengthening out the hamstrings. This time, see if you can bring your hand a little bit higher, basically closer to your calves. Pull your leg towards you and curl your head, neck, shoulders up. Repeat the same on the other side here. Point your toes and pull the leg towards you as much as possible, and then curl your head, neck, shoulders up. You can bring your hands higher if you want. Halfway through your calf, that would be good. This way we're able to pull the leg closer to us. If you feel a nice stretch in your hamstring, that is good, because we are lengthening out the lower back. And the more we lengthen out the lower back, the more we can scoop the belly in. That's the reason. What happens at the back happens in front. So when we curled up, we bring the leg up, we lengthen out the lower back, the belly scooped in, we engage the core more. It is actually just this. It's very simple. Now slowly bend one leg and flex your foot, reach down, touch the floor, bend it in, point your toes, flex your feet, reach out. So as you straighten your leg and reach out, you flex. As you bend your knee and come in, you point your toes. All this while keeping your pelvis stable. And what's keeping our pelvis stable here is actually our core strength. We're using the core to hold the pelvis stable so that the leg can move freely in the hip joints as we bring it up and down. Bring it up, bend, straighten out, reaching out and bring it down. To be able to move the legs in a fluid manner like that, you need core strength. And the core strength comes from holding, stabilizing the pelvis, as well as allow our legs to move freely. And when you're ready, bring one leg up, and this time you're going to bring it across to the other side. So in this case, my right leg is moving to the left while I turn my head to look to the right. Bring your leg to the left, your head looks right. You're giving your lumbar spine a very nice ringing feeling here, twisting out the tightness. At the same time, you are also engaging your obliques. The obliques muscle is a very important part of our abdominal wall. So it's not right to think that our core strength only happens in the front body. It also happens on the side body. Try to keep the leg as straight as possible as you bring it up. That will activate the obliques muscles more. Now from here, I'm showing you from this angle because it's more polite to do so. You're going to open up your legs here like a V shape. You are stretching out the adductor, at the same time holding your leg in the same position without core strength. Point your toes as you do that. Keeping both sides equal, keeping your legs straight, opening up the legs, and now you start to pulse. Deeply stretching and engaging the adductor muscles, using your core to hold your legs in the same position and keeping your legs very straight as you can. Try to see if you can open your legs a little bit bigger each time. You should be able to as the inner thigh muscles start to ease, the tissue gliding more, creating space. Bring one leg up, keeping the other bent. Draw a circle, a semicircle. In this case, my right leg is out, drawing a semicircle back in. Now, very, very important to keep your pelvis square so that both legs open up equally. Although the left leg is bent, then the right leg is straight, they are both opening up to the sides at equal angle. Very important. If you have one side bigger than the other, it means your pelvis has rotated, and we want to avoid that. So the inner thigh muscles are really at work here, keeping both legs open up equally, and the core is ensuring that the legs are moving very fluidly. The core always keeps us stable. In this case, it keeps the pelvis stable and the legs move freely. I'm showing you now from the side here. So you can see that as I circle my leg out, I flex my foot. And as I bring it up, I point my foot. I point my toes. So why do I do that? Because as I circle up, I need more stability. So I need to engage my hamstrings more. As I bring the leg up, I point to lengthen out my anterior part of the leg. All these, again, keeping your pelvis square. Just make sure that your pelvis does not rotate as you do these dynamic leg movements. Also make sure that the leg that opens up to the side does not bring the body or the pelvis along. It's there kind of like a counterbalance. As one leg circle out, the leg that's bent open to the side balances it on the other side so that our pelvis or our body weight doesn't tip over. Now come to sitting and bring both legs up. We are then going to do a final version whereby our legs reach out to the sides, bend the knees, come in, and again to the side, both legs straight. Note that our head looks the other way as the leg reaches out in the opposite direction. This is again a counterbalance. Try to see if you can also integrate flexing your feet as you reach out to the side. Do a small circle in, point your toes, and repeat the same on the other side. Scoop your belly in. There's a lot of core strength involved here. Alright, now come to sitting up really straight. Wriggle out any tightness or knots you may feel when you were doing this on the mat. Keeping your legs as straight as possible. Again, we need core strength to straighten the legs. In case you're wondering why do I emphasize straight legs so much. I will do more videos like this on leg work equals core strength in the near future. Let me know in the comment section below on how you find this routine. I'll be very interested to know. And meanwhile, keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We're born to move. Help me to grow my small channel for now. I aspire for it to get bigger, and I really look forward to your support. It will mean a lot to me, and it will motivate me to do more videos that are helpful for everyone. Take care, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.